I'm making New Orleans style barbecue shrimp, and I'm looking for a wine to pair with it. What's up everybody, Chef Glenn Bean back in the kitchen, and today I'm working on New Orleans style barbecue shrimp. Let's get right into it. As you can see, got all of my ingredients laid out here. I've got some beautiful shrimp. These are really large shrimp. These are U10s. A lot of recipes you'll see 1620s. I like to go a little extra with mine. So these are U10s, they're pretty large. So everything I got going here, I'm gonna start with some olive oil in my pan. And my garlic. I've also got some rosemary that's been finely chopped, fresh rosemary. I just want to saute this till it's nice and fragrant. I don't really want to brown it. So while that's going, in this bowl, I'm going to add Worcestershire sauce, fresh lemon juice, hot sauce, and I'm going to get that in my pan. To that, I'm gonna add some beer. And I've got some Creole seasoning. Now to this, I'm gonna add my shrimp. So I want to move these shrimp around in this sauce as it heats up. I've got some lemon slices I'm going to add. I want to add black pepper. Plenty of black pepper. I'm gonna add some more black pepper. All right, so the sauce has reduced. The shrimp is just about done. I'm gonna turn my heat down. I've got a stick of butter that's softened, it's been sitting out. And I'm just gonna cut some cubes. Add some butter to my shrimp and sauce. I'm gonna go ahead and add some more of my butter. I'm gonna add the whole stick. The last little bit of my butter. Got my dish here, and I've got a couple of chunks of bread in the middle. I kind of want to build a little bit of height. This is we want to make sure that we have a nice presentation as well as making sure that it tastes good. So I'm just going to spoon a little bit of my sauce on top of the bread. So I'm just going to start leaning my shrimp against the bread here. Ultimately, we're going to be on top of the bread. We just want to create a little bit of height with the bread because we don't want the shrimp to get lost in the bottom of the bowl. We want them to be nice and visible. Add a little cooked lemon slices in there on the side there. If you're enjoying the video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. I've got some green onions. I've got some toasted bread. I'm just gonna put on the rim of my plate here. And there's my barbecue shrimp. All right, my barbecue shrimp is done. I've chosen the 2023 St. Michel Columbia Valley Pinot Gris to pair with my barbecue shrimp. Pinot Grigio and Pinot Gris, although they come from the same grape, they're not the same finished product. Pinot Gris is generally held in wooden barrels, while Pinot Grigio is generally held in stainless steel tanks. The stainless steel tank is going to create something lighter, fresher, crisper. The wooden barrels is going to start to create a little bit more of a mouthfeel, nuttiness, some oakiness, some baking spices, different things happen in wood. So we're doing a Pinot Gris here, and hopefully it's gonna pair with the spice, not so much heat, but the high spice of this barbecue shrimp. Let's get right into the shrimp, see what we got going on here. My shell bone here. Wow. That's tasty. Wow. And like I said, highly spiced, but not spicy. A little bit of spice. We got some hot sauce in there. We got the Creole seasoning, but man, really good flavor. Let's see if it pairs with this wine. Wow. Surprisingly delightful. I'm happy about that. The first thing, this is gonna be weird when I tell you this. When I tasted it, the first thing that came to mind was banana pudding. Banana pudding, right? That was the first thing. I mean, that's just to let you know that it was good. I mean, there could have been a bunch of other things that could have came to mind. Pine sol or dirt, you know what I'm saying? But it was banana pudding. That's a good thing. Although, as it went on, it didn't end up being like banana pudding, but it was a good thing. I gotta double check though. I gotta double check. So back in to these gigantic shrimp. Wow. Make sure I get all of that. That is delicious. A little bit of bread. That is so good. Yes, that's a perfect pairing. I'm Chef Glenn Ben, as always, eat well.